Look at that, I just made 60 bucks for being a good Samaritan. Trouble is I didn't want the 60 bucks. I just was concerned about what was going on over here. I'm on my way home. I just passed the Freedom Factory. It's down that direction, so I'm a little bit east of it. My house is over there. On the way home, and I found some folks back there. They were, I guess they're working on this house they're building, and the lady was outside waving down traffic. Now, we just got through with a giant thunderstorm. There was lightning and all kinds of stuff, and I thought something was wrong, which there was something wrong. I went back there and found out that both of their service vans were stuck in the mud. So, because I come equipped for such things, I pulled up and I hooked up the chain and I pulled both of their vans out. So check it out. I got a video of it. You guys should enjoy this. Yeah, just hold it for me. Yeah.
No, que se lo tenga ahí, así como
Oh, yeah, I want to watch it come out. Yeah, that's a good video.
All right, let me know.
Let's do that one in reverse, because that looks kind of soft over there. I don't want to go over there, so I'll just back right up to it.
Gotcha.
So what we'll do is we'll pull this one up, you come around, and then I'll back in on that one.
Okay.
And we'll just drag it out.
Okay.
Yep.
Haga el timón para acá, para este lado todo para acá. Cuidado, el pelo.
Oye, ni cosquilla liso para jalarlo. Sí. ¿Cómo lo jalar que de frente?
Ok, raza, dele para acá. Dale para acá. A pichetillo que lo voy a ir pechugueando yo. Ok. Ya. More. I think that's enough. That's plenty, right?
Yeah, that should be good. I don't like that ball so much. Come off the ball.
No?
Yeah, see if I loop it here, it's gonna
Okay.
do that. Now let me get under it. Oh. Yeah, that's working. I got
perfect. So what we're gonna do? Same thing, put it in reverse?
Yeah, same thing. Just put it in reverse, steering wheel all the way to the left, and just
I'm gonna try to follow you.
Amor, quita. Amor.
Espérame.
Good stuff. Hey, thank you so much.
Hey, we're gonna bless you, brother.